Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and I'm excited. I contacted my buddy at Corel to ask him how to do this. Somebody wanted to be able to print out all the colors of their RGB with their value, and it even gives a name, and this is cool. I did one last night where I actually took a picture, and I said I was going to erase that video, but I think I'll leave it up and just call this one part 2. So with your RGB palette color open, go to Tools, Scripts. Now in older versions of Corel it's going to say Macros. And then Run Script. Under here, you go check down right here to Create Chart, Color Chart Creator. Run. It's going to ask you can put the date. You could put some spacing of the thumbnails. You could tell it what printer or whatever. But we're just going to hit OK. And in just a few seconds, it's going to create a vector clean. It didn't put the date. I guess I didn't put in today's date. But it shows you black at 00, black at 2626. You know, your twilight blue, your navy, and they are crisp, readable. Deep navy blue is R0, G0, and B102. So you would want to, if you were going to print this out on paper, you just need to make it the paper size. You know, go to change your orientation, and I'm sure it'll work. And there's probably a way you could make these bigger. But they are, you know, pretty big right now. They're pretty readable. You know, that thing is, well, it's only 3/4 of an inch, but you could stretch and do a lot with this. Just grab them all and stretch them and make them bigger. And there's probably a lot you could do with this. You could probably even take half of them and move them down here. And then you could even stretch them bigger, so you would make it more readily readable. You could do them on different pages. You know, you could have all the different colors on different pages. But anyway, I'm excited that I got that one figured out, or somebody helped me. And thank you for watching.